Hi friends, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to see connected USB devices on Windows 10, so you can easily find all the devices connected to your PC. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Windows search bar, which is located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and type Device Manager. This helps you quickly access all hardware settings on your computer. Step 2. Open Device Manager from the search results. Device Manager is the main tool in Windows 10 that lets you view and manage all connected devices, including USB devices. Step 3. Click on the View menu at the top of the Device Manager window. This menu allows you to change how the devices are displayed, making it easier to find specific connections. Step 4. Select Devices by Connection from the drop-down menu. This will organize all your devices according to how they are connected, letting you easily see all USB devices attached to your system. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.